The new Chanel handbags are out, and they released their message, the message being not one bag is under $5,000. Starting with this non-leather tweed. There's a white version as well, not leather, $5,000. Then we have this small flat bag. There's a black version as well. Then we have this mini with top handle. Mini flat bag with the heart. Anything with a heart they go crazy for. Then there's this sequined one, which is kind of giving fungus. This just reminds me of those sequin bags where you could flap them up and down to get different colors. It's an interesting almost $10,000 combination. Oh yes. And it comes in this color too. There's also a leather version. Price upon request, you know that means $10,000 plus. I could see this pale yellow being popular. But this compact, pearly goatskin, aka Hermes Chev leather, light pink bag, this one's gonna sell out. Patent leather. Aged calfskin, aka it looks old, but we charge you brand new. Ah yes, the $7,000 beach bag. But it comes in white if you'd like it. I don't know how practical this backpack is, but it serves a purpose somewhere. Little yellow vanity case. Back to the tweed, still more than $5,000. This light blue gray, $9,000 and your lip gloss may fall out of the bag. You know this one's a fortune. Considering that wood takes up 30% of the space, couldn't it have been less than $5,000? Small clutch, big price.